Yeah, just to the left of the big rock, and then we're gonna have to, as soon as we get around that, we're gonna have to hard on the left to shoot back to the right. Yeah. So right down the chute, and then we're gonna want to be hard on the left to avoid that rock in the middle. A little more to the right. Steady. Steady as she goes. And paddle. And now hard on the left, hard on the left, hard on the left, hard on the right, hard on the right. Fucking navigated it.
Oh yeah, that's a good spot.
Yeah. Alright, let's spin around. Watch these guys. In the big boat, we got nothing to worry about, so.
Not even trying.
That was not as bad as I thought it was going to be. We dodged all the bad rocks. Right in the chute. Right in the poop chute.
Oh, they beached it.
Oh, for a second I watched.
Oh. There, let's go.
Let's go. Paddle left. Try to beach it in the corner.